What's good, boys and girls? This is another day of doing the forward testing. So, market is opening in around 2 minutes, 1 minute and 23 seconds. So, let's do some analysis and see what we can get on the day. So, this day has already moved quite a bit, somewhat of a big range, around 350 points the whole day. Yesterday was bearish. I don't know if today is gonna be bearish, but by the looks it could be. You can see some gaps that are holding, some bearish gaps. For example, we've got this small gap here. We've got this huge gap here. So I believe we're bearish and we're gonna head lower. Some possible bearish PDRs or liquidity levels. So we have sell side here, sell side here. This is, I call it the short term target because there's not much of a difference here. It will hit that one obviously. Now go to the 1 hour. You can see more POIs holding, such as this value gap here. So I'm thinking that we could go lower today. We've inversed this gap here. So I have some good confluences that we are bearish for the day. Now going down to 15-minute, it's not that much, but I still think we're going lower. Maybe I'd wait for more price action to print itself before trying to short on some 15-minute value gaps. Let's check the 30-minute. Nothing here, so I'm still waiting for it to to phase out. Maybe it will run this high before dropping lower or something like that. All I know is that it's providing some potential shorts, so let's wait and see. So market just opened right here. Let me log into my broker real quick. Okay, my broker is causing some problems. I don't know why it doesn't want to log in. Refresh this real quick. Okay. So I'm in drawdown. I think I'll be risking around $500 only for the day. Right, I'm in. Let's now put this back on. Right, so I'll be taking the micros instead today. So I'll be entering on my phone right here. So it's already dropping really heavy. Have this buy side here. No, I wouldn't really short it obviously here. So now how's the 1 hour looking like? Okay, not bad. Not bad as well. Just gonna wait for more PA to print. So yes, it's also flying. And Nasdaq, very great. Relatively equal those left here. Target, sell side target. Now we should go 15. Sorry, the 1 hour. We're still in this gap. We don't have any 15-minute POIs that price could hit, but as of now, maybe we'll probably run the 1 hour high. Right. 15 is looking so aggressive. I believe this high here will get run if we're gonna go lower. So this is another low. Gold is flying, by the way. So this is the high. I think that could get stopped out. So if it was to start playing out, this is how it looks on ES. This is on NQ. So now it has started to drop all of a sudden. Why though? Why would it start to drop? There is like no SMT. I'm not really comfortable with shorting it at this inversion. Well, there's a 5-minute gap. Price here has run this high. Not this one yet. Why is it gonna inverse? This is the first presented fair value gap as well. And is it gonna be an inversion here? Can go for shorts right here, but it will be really, really small. I'm not a candidate of shorting it here. Don't feel really good about it. Let's see 50 seconds. Well, we're still in the 1 hour pure high. We've run the high there. I believe we can short it here. I'm taking around like 5 micros here. See if they hit. I'll be taking it at the inversion. Let's see if it will be really, really big. Right, I've just sold 5 micros. I took a short somewhere around here. My stop was around here. Let's see if it will hit somewhere around here. This will be like the best target. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out right away. Alright, we're cooked. We are cooked here. Done. We're stopped out. It's done. It would be absolutely insane if it reversed right here. But yeah, let's wait and see. I'm floating a loss here, as you can see, and in a few minutes I'll get stopped out right there. I entered on this inversion considering that we had these sweeps here and here. I don't know if it's gonna first do another run higher, maybe for it to drop. I'm just gonna sit and wait. we're a few ticks from getting stopped out. Same. So let me show you the position. There it is. I believe you can see it right there. And it's on trade of 8. So let's see what happens. By the way, as a notice, ES hasn't inversed this gap yet, so I think I kind of went too fast with this one. ES hasn't inversed this gap. I think I went a little too fast, and now look at this SMT. It's gonna reverse. It's gonna take me up. It's absolutely like I can see it. Look at this. I am cooked. Literally cooked. Like, let's put this a little bit on the side. Except if this SMT gets, validated. I'd like to see it get invalidated. Please invalidate this. But yeah, whatever. Been this trade for really long though. So is it gonna inverse here? I really don't know. If ES can run through here, it will be really great. I have my eyes on this short-term target, break even here for around the 2R. So all we gotta do is wait. Yes, it's about to inverse. It was a ticks away from inversing. I will actually consider this inversed. This position spent too long and draw down, by the way. We're floating in some profits. I'd like to see it hit this relatively close though. I mean, this low from earlier in the day. I think it's like a previous day low. It's from 18th November. I don't know if it's gonna hit there. It would be really great if you did. NQ. Move my stops to break even now. Come on, don't just reverse on me. It's a 2 hours, nothing big, so you can just as well give me some money. Don't tell me it's gonna reverse. This will be the most insane. Come on, look at this SMT here now. We validated the first one, and now we're gonna fight another battle here. So we're gonna get cooked. I don't know, but as of now, the PNL is looking really good. As you can see, let me zoom this in real quick. You can see it's looking okay there. It's around 650 there. Not really confident if I should scale in. This will be like a 1-to-1 here, like around a 1-to-1. I'm gonna wait for this target here. See what happens. So it's either break even or get kicked in the dance, which is totally normal. I've got used to that, and you can see on the MNQ we've got the position running with a take profit at around 24,606. So if this one hits, well, it will be a really great base hit, and we continue with our day. Inverse, inverse. Come on, just inverse. Inverse all the gaps and take out this SMT. Come on, ES, you can do better. Alright, new 15-minute candle just opened. And after this bearishness, I would like this to see this rip down. Just don't stop me out. Come on. Be a grown man. We are cooked. We are cooked. We're ended somewhere around here. Nah, I think we're gonna get stopped out here. After this SMT, bro, things are looking really, really good. Yeah, I believe we're out now. Yeah, we're out. Stop that BE there. This is insane, bro. I mean, if I had moved it here, I would have killed in a 1-to-1, but I didn't really want to scale in with 1-to-1, so yeah, it's probably for the best. Let's wait for the next entry. What's the break even? Where is it? Let's check MNQ. Yeah, no orders, and it directly reverses after stopping me out. This hurts, bro. This hurts. Seriously, bro. Well, whatever. Let's remove this. No need to cry over spilled milk. We have a good SMT still holding here. I believe we're still bearish. And it's gonna hold bearish to the low that I wanted. It's so frustrating to see my break even get hit right there without full profits. But you know, I managed to do what I can do. So it's just statistics, I believe. So this was the first trade here. Oh, beautiful Lord. What? Anyways, some of the things that I probably observed, not probably, I actually observed is that this open here, you know, it was aggressive to the upside. It's not that trading to break even was the bad thing. It's, you know, the PO3 was forming up, so it's just natural data playing itself. It's just data. So I think the next possible time we will trade will be like maybe if we get another retracement. We ended up not running this high as I expected with gold. Turns out price wasn't strong enough to run this high, but we ran a couple of highs here. We were still in the 1 hour gap, so those were enough confluences for me to take some shorts. And as of now, I believe it's gonna continue lower. The 15-minute gap that was here got cleared out by the move to the upside, and the 5-minute was as well. I still believe we're gonna go lower, but I still can't get why this SMT is holding. Why can't it just drop? So I'm gonna wait for the PO3, and we're also about to open a new macro, so whatever. Let's check out some gold as well. Gold looks like it's in some bullish gap after falling down for some time. believe it's going higher to probably somewhere around this up here, and 4 hour. Okay, it's going good. We have a good run on the low here. Friday's low. This is the best closest target. In the 1 hour, we get another run on the candle low. We inverse here when we're heading higher, so this could be the ultimate target for the day. So yeah, I think it's gonna go higher as well. Now how about NQ? Bro, seriously. Yeah, my alert just got triggered. Man, why? I mean, is it wrong to scale to break even? Anyways, this would have been a really good trade. It's just that we were so unfortunate. I mean, yeah. The reason I moved to break even was because I saw this multiple times where this low gets run and then it reverses. But then, wow, maybe I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this, to be honest. So yeah, whatever happened. Let's look for the next entries. Alright, so ES has also run this low. Not this one though. It hasn't reached this one. So still some sort of SMT with this low here. Right, I don't know if it's gonna reverse right here. Clip this. So we had a really good sweep of liquidity here, and we were in a 1 hour gap, this high. Hopefully we can mark it here instead. Alright, it's still absolutely ripping lower. What are we gonna do with this? What's the one I believe I could short it on the next power of 3. If it's too bearish, then we could probably head to this low. And let's check the one up. By the way, let's check yesterday as well. It should be this extremely bearish. So I believe we'll scale in on the next VO3. The only problem is that there is no like probable possible gap retracements here, because there are no gaps at all. We just run relatively equal lows. No gap at all. Bro, look at how these shorts are ripping. Damn. This is insane. Next possible target will be here if market is volatile enough to give me that, but I hate the way it was moving. I hate that. So let's see how the next hour opens up. Maybe we can short it. I believe it's gonna be for shorts. The only problem is that it will be if it doesn't provide like an inversion or some like POI. I don't know. If you don't have a POI, it'll be really bad. But maybe if like this 5 minute can hold, then it'll be good. Some shorts. So let's just wait for the next hour open. Alright, so we got 10 seconds until the 1 hour opens. I think we can enter the next PO3 if it manages to run higher for me to get some shorts. So this is the high here. Next possible place for me to take some shorts. So there is no gap retracement yet, but market just ripped lower. I think we're gonna close the day here if it ends up hitting the target without any entries provided. How is it 2 minutes? Okay. By the way, we also have a 15-minute gap, so if it probably presents an entry there, and then we will take it. Right, so we're about to meet the target. I don't know where's the target next. This will be like enough for the day. Price has already moved around 400 points in the day, around 1.7%. This is insane. This will be the next possible target. I'm not opting for shorts since we will be dropping into this new week opening gap. So yeah, we are around 30 points away from the target as of now. I think it's just gonna hit it directly without delay. Yes, it's a little bit far from the target, but yeah, it is what it is. And we're not getting any kind of retracement as well, and I'm hating that. Especially for the next 15 I can retrace here into these gaps here, then maybe I could short it. I believe this 15-minute high, we're gonna create another. I believe we're gonna create another 15-minute high here, and probably hit like a 5-minute gap here or here. I mean, I will be tempted to long it, but I wouldn't, just for the fact that we have an inversion here. I believe it's gonna hit to the next like 5-minute high, probably like around here, something like this. But what sell side was run for it to reverse like this? So I don't see any. Still in this gap here. 15 is about to create a new high of the day, and we're about to form. If we can form an SMT on this high, maybe I can take some entries. I believe this thing here is gonna get hit. Let's wait and see. Alright, so now his price is in a 5-minute. I don't know if it's gonna continue lower. I'd like to see it continue lower though. And obviously that will be a breakaway. I don't know, did I inverse it? Did I trade if it inversed here? It's not a 5-minute, is it? It's just 1 minute. So let's see, how big will this be? Around 32. Right, so I just entered another short. But well, I believe this one could have inversed Ali, but look at this thing here. So I entered on the 2 minute right here. It's quite of a big one. I think it will be like a 1-to-1, maybe for a base hit to this low here. I did something like this, yeah, on MNQ, by the way. So here's MNQ. You can see the entries there. Stop is around 64 points, so that's 64 times 2 times 5, 640 stops. Now the target will be 24,409. 409, where is it at? Somewhere around here. If this manages to hit, it's insane. So we buy limit here. Buy limit here. Oh, 7. No. 5. Confirm. She takes away from getting stopped out. So you just gotta be patient and see what happens. So I entered off of this SMT. Maybe it could hold. Oh, come on, don't stop me right away. Like literally the next minute it inverses the gap. What is this trying to tell me? That I'm stopped out. 3, 2, 1. We'll be out in a few seconds from now. Yeah, we're out. So I'm done for this trading day. Really shitty. Yeah, tried my best. Let's see what the next 15 candle will bring. I'm not gonna try to short it anymore on my accounts. They're hot already. So yeah, this is experience on experience. I hope for the best. Peace. Let's just wait for the next 15 candle open. Maybe it could retrace here and then go lower. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm not gonna short it. As a matter of fact, I'm even gonna log out of my accounts and use paper now because I've damaged my accounts too much already. So we have a 15-minute gap here. Well. Very crazy trading day. Look at how close it is to take profit. Well, I guess this is all for the day. I'm not doing anything more than this. And it just got screwed up. Entered in the 2 minutes. So the first entry was somewhere here. Second entry was targeting this low hanging fruit after seeing the 2 minute, looking to inverse in the 1 minute. But I don't know if it inversed fully. Inverse it by one handle, by the way. So this wouldn't be an A plus, but the first one definitely A plus plus plus. So it was a good one. We have a 15 minute gap retracement. I don't know if it's gonna be respected for some shorts, but now it's looking really good. Now you go. The 5 minute also gets tapped into there. Is it gonna reverse directly? I don't know. So now you go. So is it going to inverse this gap here? I'd like to see it get inversed for this target here. And by the way, I'm not really frustrated by the loss or something because I believe I'm getting more hours of screen time. I believe I'm learning, and you better watch out because you'll see me in 5 years from now, bro. I'll be insane. Anyways, obviously I've been saying because I'm not planning to give up. I believe I'm gonna make it, so I've gotta learn, have more case studies. So this is another case I just studied, and yeah. So we had the 9:30 open right here, somewhere around here. Actually, this is 9:30 open, run, then it reverses directly. So I don't know if it's going to inverse here for some shorts, but I believe these lows here are going to get taken out in a few. And I think that will be all for today's trading. Stay blessed.